So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at $103,900. It's almost $104,000. There are no surprises over there because I had shared with you already, I think at least twice or thrice, that the region upward journey is going to be a bit in pieces. Is going to be, first of course, we would be having a breakout of 100K. After that is going to break 102, 104, then 108. I have not seen anything on 106 to make it look sexy. So at least there is not a $2,000 gap in that area. But of course, the overall journey that we are expecting is towards $120,000. And for all that, we changed our support area to 97,300. So far, it is behaving well in a sense that it is respecting 97,300. Even before it started journey, for one last time, it tested it as well by just a second. Even before going up one last time, it dropped down towards 97,300, tested it. Yes, this is a solid support. After that, it started its journey. So if it holds 97,300, then Bitcoin has only one job, one goal to achieve, and that is to break 100K and start the upward journey. If it loses 97,300, I have already told you, then we will be pitching towards 85K. I wouldn't care about the rest of the targets. I will share them as areas to have a reaction on. Of course, below 97,300, we have our sweet spot at 92,500. But I'll be aiming for 85K after that. That would make it extremely obvious that we are going to dumb down. So I don't see anything bearish developing whatsoever. The only thing that I'm seeing here is basically the deliverance on the double bottom that we were waiting for. If you remember, there was a time when we were obsessed with 102. That is basically the case scenario that I'm going to show you now. Just a second. So you see on daily, there is this double bottom and the neckline is 102,500, but let's ignore the 500. Let's call it 102. It is right now above, of course, this area, but as long as it holds, it gives you a bit confidence that it will break the all-time high of 108, because the deliverance on this thing, let me tell you how much it is. 95.7, 102.7, that's 2, and that's 95, right? Yeah, it is 95. So that's 5 plus 2, that's $7,000. So from 102.7, that's $109,000. So that adds up really well, because the all-time high is 108,353. So $109,000, it does add up really well, and it makes sense from the perspective of the double bottom. So I think things are going fine for Bitcoin, and if you are going to look for any early indications that we are losing the momentum and things are getting bad, I think your very early indication would be this neckline of the double bottom. You can use this. This is a mini support. It's not an important support area. It's a mini support. If we lose $102,000 for more than 8 hours, you should expect that, okay, now maybe Bitcoin is trying to start the downward journey. So this will be your early indicator. If you are not losing $102,000 for more than 8 hours, you should assume that the upward journey continues. One small thing that is there is that weekend is now going to start in some hours in some countries, and for me it's going to be in 12 hours. But the thing is that on weekend, generally volume goes low. When the volume is missing, that is the time when it becomes really challenging for the market. From perspective of ETF as well, the funds can't flow into ETF, those who have more money to push it. So that makes it a bit tricky. It doesn't mean that it can't go up, it's just that it's harder to go up in weekend in comparison to the rest of the week. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. you're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.